top-tier kitchen remodeling services in Benjamin, Utah. Looking to upgrade your kitchen in Benjamin, Utah? EagleRidge delivers top-tier kitchen remodeling and renovation services, ensuring quality craftsmanship and tailored designs to bring your vision to life. We specialize in kitchen makeovers, custom remodeling, and complete renovations. Whether you're planning a new kitchen construction or expanding your space with additions, our team handles it all with precision. Our services include custom cabinetry, countertop installations with granite, quartz, and marble options, and flooring solutions like tile, hardwood, and vinyl. We also provide backsplash installation, lighting upgrades, and smart home integrations for a modern touch. Need plumbing and fixture upgrades? We install sinks, faucets, garbage disposals, and pot fillers. Our team also manages appliance installations, electrical upgrades, and ventilation solutions, ensuring functionality and efficiency. From structural modifications like wall removal for open concepts to finishing touches like trim, molding, and custom woodwork, we create a kitchen that blends style and practicality. For energy-efficient upgrades, accessibility modifications, or luxury enhancements, EagleRidge is your trusted partner. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com to schedule your free consultation.